Hello and welcome, my name is Maiva and today I'm playing the demo to Schrodinger's cat Burglar. So this is silly, but I actually didn't realize that the full game was released a couple of days ago and I ended up playing the demo. But it was good because I did end up liking the demo a lot, so it made it sure for me to actually buy it, which else I might have not been so sure about. I like that there's more and more cat games coming out. And animal games in general. We need more of them. Oh, he's so cute! A hedgehog! Steal incriminating evidence from computer network. Oh no! Vacuumed. Air-shaped. Okay, listen up, mittens. Welcome to Quantum Boot Camp. This demo for Schrodinger's cat burglar takes place a little way into the story. There are a few techniques we need to get you acquainted with before we get stuck in. So first up, try jumping on a few of these desks and make a mess. This is my kind of mission. Oh yeah. Oh yeah! Nicely done, Mittens. Jumping on desks is kinda my specialty. Now, if you haven't already realized, here's a newsflash. You have quantum powers. Try moving in 2 different directions at once and see what happens. What? Whoa! Ah, the recognizable sound of a cat splitting in 2. These quantum powers are going to be immensely helpful when I'm on a mission. Feel free to cause a little chaos in here. When you're ready, head through to the next room. And don't forget to practice fusing back together. How do I fuse back together? Oh boy. Get back in there! Oh! Oh, okay. Up. I want to be on it. I want to be on it. Oh. You fucking flipped the thing. See that? Alright, let's go. Wait, what? Customization? Oh. Ah, this one and the bread one is the cutest. I don't have money yet, do I? But it's cool to look at it. A little bow tie. That's just the color. The color. The color of the color. Oh. That's cool. Oh. Wow, special rainbow kitty. We can modify the eye color. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Good to know. Wait. I want to know more. Emote. What the fuck? Alright.
Okay, gotta split myself again.
Oh. Okay, okay. This is weird. I'm purring. And meowing. Shit, this is confusing. I should do the one that goes right. That one that steers right, I should do right. This also gets too confusing. What are we doing here? Oh, elevator. Wait, what am I doing? That's not what I need. You hold it in both. Drop or use with other cat. How do I use with other cat? Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh man, I am so confused with the controls. I am sorry. How about I do the right cat? Which is the left one. It is cute, mate, though. It's just a bit confusing at first. Eisenberg fields will not let you pass if you are split. Okay. So we gotta go in together. Okay. Okay. I'm doing my best here, man. I'm doing my best. Wait, what's this? Insert or remove battery. Oh. Okay. This field will make any item it touches a deprint. Uh-oh, what's happened now? I've been spotted by a camera. I feel all purple and wibbly. Aha, being observed has caused your quantum superstate to collapse. Is that bad? Far from it, you have become theoretical. You can't exist in two places if you're being observed. But I'm trapped. The doors to this chamber shut behind me when the camera's turned on. Oh shit, I accidentally did that away. Or to put it simply, if you're purple and wibbly, you can go through purple and wibbly things. Interesting. Split cats are... Wait, what? Theoretical cats cannot be observed. Okay. Okay. So now we separate, boy. We not separate. I could read it, but I'm not reading it. I can't grab the money though. Oh yeah, they cannot interact with the world. They cannot press buttons until the cat stops being observed. Okay. Wait, I can't go in here now? What do you mean? Why was it open? Why was it open? I don't know. This is an interesting puzzle. The cat head indicator in the top corner shows the current state of the cat. Right, I'll figure that out. Okay, so this one you can go through here, but you can't pick it up. You can't pick anything up. So try splitting in this area, you will see the quantum shard.
Wait, what?
So I have to be observed. And then... no. You can go out here. Okay. I'm so confused. Try splitting in this area and you will see a quantum shard. Shards are split and need to be collected by the same colored cat. What do you mean, same colored cat? I don't even know what I did. Why can't I interact now with the world? I'm so confused. But it's fine. It's all fine. It's fine. Somehow we're doing it. Incoming communication. Excellent work, Mittens! You are ready to get stuck into the actual demo. Jump into this tube and you'll be zipped into separation lab. Alright. I'm just gonna meow at it. Okay, Susan, I've arrived at separation lab. Excellent. Head on in and we'll see what's what. What's what? That's another modification thingy? Or not? You can only modify one cat, right? What are you? Hey Susan, what's behind that big door? That's important in the full game, but doesn't feature in this demo. This demo features sectors A and B. Use the elevator on the right. Get going.
Don't tell me what to do, Susan! You little bitch! You little bitch hedgehog!
Central, I guess? Or not? Alright, that's where I'm going. Stand underneath this daylight lamp for a short while to checkpoint your progress. Okay. Oh. Hacking? Wait, what's happening? I was stuck. One of me is a hacker. I don't even know how I did that. The hell am I looking at? You know what? I have to check this out. The fuck? Oh yes. Biscuits. Loaf. Yes, you strong. No. It's so cute. Alright, do we have to be with two here? There's a cup. Susan, you'll love this. Oh, what is it? The science team in this lab have created split fields. Items can be split just like me. Oh wow, they got the dual event process working on inanimate objects. What sort of things are they up to? I'll report back when I explore further. Well, that's cool, isn't it? Also feels like it will get more complicated. Oh, you can ask for a hint. That's good to know. So I need objects.
I need objects and I need them now.
We got double objects. Okay. So blue. And there we go. That wasn't too bad yet. It's very important I knock over shit. Come on. There we go. Yes. Oh, what's this? Oh. Hey. Monies. Can't jump down from there? Feel like I should. No, I want to be down. I just want to get down faster. These chests contain data chips. Some can be unlocked with one battery. Some require two. Completionist. I'm not a completionist. How do I get in there? I know how I do. let's try and do. Oh, I can't do what I wanna do. I have the wrong cat. How can I have the wrong cat? Either... No. Do I have yellow cat now? I am confused. Clearly, I don't know how. Alright, think. Think, Mittens, think. Tell me what the point is. There we go. I found the point. Unbelievably so. I think I'm the wrong cat. Where's the other shard? It's supposed to be 2 shards, no? Oh. Oh. Think. No, you gotta put the battery in. Okay, got all these data chips. I'm not even trying to jump on things right now. Where's the other shard?
There should be another shard somewhere. Shouldn't there?
I don't think I can get back up. So what do I do? Oh. I'm so confused. Super duper confused, you guys. Hi. It's not good. Face gates will block anything that is fused or the wrong color from passing. Oh, you can pass with blue. Does it mean it will destroy this or not? No. Well, now I got 2. But 1 will get destroyed. Oh, I can't pick that up? I can only pick up the blue. We'll be damned. I can't do it. So this kitty has to do it. I'm so confused. I have no freaking clue. So I can get through though. Oh, this means the blue one can get through. Okay. I can't make double out of it. And I can't use that one. God damn it, boy. Okay. Oh, I am such a retard. My God, why am I like this? It wasn't even that hard. What the hell is wrong with me? Clearly, I can't think for the life of me. All right. Don't know why. I couldn't think. Power cells. Empty battery. Oh, I don't like how it changes. I'm trying to read and then it changes. I'm just gonna do whatever. I'm just doing whatever, you know? Whatever. I'll figure it out myself. I can go through here. Is this something to push normally? I think it is. Oh, I just have to remove myself. It's fine. Jesus, this is getting confusing for me. Who cares? I'm doing it. I want to save my progress. Kitty madness. Yes. How many cans can I get out of here? Is there gonna be an achievement for that? Oh no! No! It's empty! It's stupid! Alright, do I need you? Do I need you? Ooh, I can get in here? Holy shit! What did I just do? Oh, money! We got money! How about it? Sorry, I'm laughing stupidly. Don't mind me! I cannot pass. You have to pass, you dumbass. What the fuck? Maybe we're not supposed to be here yet. What do you think? I don't know. What do you think? I think we can't go in here. So, I think we have to split it away. I'll go have a looky look over here. That doesn't help. I can't get a hint. Oh, be damned. How am I supposed to solve it? Hint? God damn it, I need a hint. So automatically it shifts. Oh, I can go down. It's so confusing for me. I don't know why. Still getting used to it, I guess. Alright. Cutie patootie. Yeah, that's right. Grab that shit. You know what you can do, don't you? You can fucking multiply that shit too. That wasn't right. Why am I stupid? Nobody knows why I'm stupid. But look at us go. Look at us go. It's like, why didn't they make this co-op? Like, I love that you can play this on your own, but I also would really love it to be a co-op. Was there an option? I think there was an option. Yeah, this is gonna be a good game for co-op. Because there's not enough good games for cooperative gaming. I'm liking this a lot though. Wait, I want to flip him. Ow. Oh! You see that? Wait. Why did that happen? That was weird. I don't know why it happened. What's this? Just creating a little bit of chaos. Why is this here? Paint. Oh. We need a battery. Let's find battery. Or not. We could just skip it. I still get confused with what cat is what cat. I'm through Sector A, Susan. Ace. Head through into Sector B. It's right next door. Whatever you say, Susan. Central Separation Lab demo. Got a battery. Can I take battery with me? Yeah. Why though? Oh, because I can go upstairs now. Okay. Okay. So we can be together. Reunited and it feels so good, kitty. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. I'm having fun. Oh, I saw money there. Let's go down here. Wait. It's the same thing. I don't fucking know why I did that. Mouse hides until the coast is clear. But if you can get above the mouse. How do I get above it? Let's try this again. Nice. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, you little kitty. Okay. So, we have money here. Oh, we got a hat. Aviator goggles, and they immediately go on there. It's cute. I got an emote. Emote time. I'm a strong kid. Alright. It doesn't seem like I can go anywhere else, so I think I'm missing something.
Missing a little something, you know?
Maybe I just have to go further. I don't know why I have to bounce the mouse. I mean, I guess it's fun. There we go. Can I go up? Come on. Get. Data chips. I mean, that's cute. Obviously, it's cute. Why can't I do my thing? Gotta hack first? Nice. I'm good at hacking. Let's split. Okay, we got 2 cups going on. Shit, I didn't mean to do that. Is it still okay? So reprinting items will revert them back to their unsplit status. Makes sense. I wonder if there is any other way I can unsplit any item. I don't know. Inconsistent power exploration fluctuations.
What do you mean?
We just want to unsplit them? This is what they were saying, right? To unsplit them. Well, what if we... There we go. This is what we want. Think you're smart. Something's up with these pics. I'm missing something with you. No? Oh, there we go. I knew it. Wait. I gotta get up here. I gotta. Thanks. What are you? Another hacking station, yeah. Oh yeah, throw money at me. Think I'm a cat hoe? Well, that's unfortunate. Can I put it back? We need it. Oh yeah. Whatever. I am amazing. Yeah, you can ask for hints. Hints are for losers. Okay. We got this. Now we got 2.
We got this and we got that.
And, oh wait, I gotta pick it up so you have it too. Wow, this is getting confusing. Oh. Wait, what cat is gonna get reunited with it? Oh no. Normally we would get together to make a good one. Damn it. So this one does not want to work with that. Okay, no, now it disappeared. Oh. I just did it! I did it. I was gonna find out how I did it, but then I did it, and now I don't know how I did it. Does that make sense? Man, this demo is really, really fun. I feel like I should stop it because I don't want to see too much of it. It's a pretty long demo too. I am really happy that they let you play for a while so you can really see whether you're gonna like it or not. And I really do. Keep an eye out because I will be playing the full game, obviously, since I liked it so much. If you enjoyed the video, please consider like, subscribe, or comment below the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Yes. That's me.